Hi, welcome to my channel. Measure, Miss and Make MMM. How do you feel by the shoe odor, refrigerator odor, and the other odors you perceive at home? Quite offensive. Now I will teach you how you can get rid of odor, those offensive odor in your home. Now you get bicarbonate, citric acid, cornstarch, and our dry lemon zest. Combination of these items and the application directly inside your fridge or inside your shoe will vanish the odor you always perceive right there at your home. Join me, let's produce this together. Now we have to formulate our odor control. Then for us to do this, we need to measure 10 grams of baking soda. This is 10 grams of baking soda. We turn it into our bowl. Next, we measure 5 grams of cornstarch. Okay, this is. Next, we measure 1 gram of citric acid. Okay, this 54. This is 55. Exactly 1 gram of citric acid. Here, I will use 1 gram of lemon peel. Okay, this is exactly 1 gram. Now I will blend all the powders together. Blend all the powders together. You keep turning until the powders mix together. Now I will add my peppermint, 2 drops of peppermint. Then I will also blend all together. This is our odor control powder. So what you have to do now is to put, you take some quantity and put in the cotton like this. Put it in the cotton like this. You drop it inside your shoe, just like this. You take another one, you add small quantity as you wish. You fold like this. And also put in your shoe. In the morning you can remove it and go anywhere you want to go. The same thing is applicable to those using refrigerator. You take small quantity, add in muslin bag or tea bag or cotton or even your stockings, old stockings. You can wash and take some quantity of this odor control powder, put inside it. You can tie it with rubber band and place anywhere, any safe place in your refrigerator. The odor will be controlled, absorbed. Same thing to those that use oven, your oven. This can also work well there, your shoe and all whatnot. Thank you for staying with me as we prepare this. Remember to hit the subscription button if this is your new time of watching us do this, so that you can get our upcoming videos. Thank you for now and bye.